How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on TURKEYLEG TV, we're making multicolored wine stoppers. So let's jump right into it. So today we're going to be making these pretty amazing multicolored wine stoppers out of some pretty unique pieces of wood. So let's throw some of these on the lathe and get turning. And speaking of unique, dad joke of the day, how do you catch a unique rabbit? Unique up on it. Yeah. Turning out beautiful. Let's put some sandpaper to this bad boy and make it shine. Looks beautiful. Before we drill this and install our stopper, let's do a couple more colors. How about it? Turned out so beautifully, I think we should do one more. So let's go do it. Wow, these turned out amazing. Now it's time to drill a hole into the end so that we can get our end caps put in. So let's do that. Time to glue the end pieces in. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm Brandon Peace. This is TURKEYLEG TV. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.